Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna do my first unboxing. There was a sale on Amazon.in from 21st January to 24th. I had a good deal on this, and guess what? I didn't miss it. I got this Boltt Running Shoes for 1099, whereas the MRP was 1999. So let's not wasting time and start the unboxing. On top of the box, we have the branding and the logo beside it. At the front, we have the website URL. At the left, we just got the branding. In this side, nothing. And at the right side, the branding along with the barcode, the Indian size, color and the MRP 1999 INR inclusive of all taxes. Now let us open the box. At first, we have the Amazon invoice, in which you can see I got this at the price of 1099. See? Next we have this booklet which says Boltt Introduction X-Fit Shoes. This is a huge booklet for a shoe. Make sure you read it before use it. Now let us open the shoes. You can find the branding over here also. Here is our shoes. Let me put the box aside. I must say, the shoe feels very light in my hand. Let me take it out first. You can see a rubber padding over here. The sole is also made of rubber and looks pretty good. You can see a ventilation over there. There is a branding over there. There is also a branding. You can see the flexibility of the shoe. I must say guys, the shoe looks pretty awesome and feels pretty premium. That's it for today's guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yes, don't forget to press the bell button also. I will meet you soon in the next one. Goodbye.